it's going to be important to edit this center pivot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to a tool set that we will go to every once in a while, so it's important to know. So if I have this selection or this translate tool selected right here, the move tool, I can double click on it and see this pivot. I can edit the pivot right here. All right, interesting, right? So if I hit edit pivot here, now it'll let me move that pivot down. And if I go into a different view here, I can see I went way too far. I want that pivot sitting right there, right on that axis. So I know I'm right at 0. And if I zoom in here, make it big, I can see I'm sitting right there. Okay, bam, got it. Okay, so I'll go back to my view here. Now that pivot is centered right there. And notice, I'll go ahead and get out of editing mode here, close this tool. So now when I select this, notice this did not change here. So does the teacher know what he's talking about? If I move it, now I'm moving through. So what's going on here? I have to actually reset this. So I need to go to modify and freeze transformations. Whoa, look at that. Notice now I'm all zeroed out. Okay? So now if I move this down, it's going to go below 0 or up. And if I put it at 0, we know that it's placed perfectly on this grid. Now I know that seemed kind of complex, and I'll be honest, that's not super important for you to know right now, but it will come in handy in the future. So now I know that this object is positioned exactly on this grid here. Okay, so let's move on. In the next video, we will start to build some kind of structure out of this. I'll see you then.